Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into the Home Depot website and looking at their savings area as far as their hand tools. So if you just go to their website, go up here to specials and offers, and then you go to savings by department, you click on tools, it'll bring you to this section. Then you can search by brand, recently added, price ranges, shop savings. So we're just going to go through some of these items. We're not going to go through everything because it'll take forever, but I'll mention some of the things that I find interesting or maybe something to stay away from. Also, keep in mind I do not own all of these tools that we're going to talk about, but I may ask for your guys' opinion if I find it interesting and you guys may have used it. I would like your guys' input. So please let me know. Other than that, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to drop a comment down below. And let's get right into this. So they have a Husky 270 piece set for $130, down from $200. That definitely seems like a pretty good deal. It looks like you get a good variety of sockets and everything. And then when it comes to these socket sets, I never really expect too much when it comes to the wrenches. Usually they skip a bunch of sizes. They're not usually the best quality wrenches. They usually throw in a lower quality wrench than what you would purchase. Like if you were gonna go and buy a Husky wrench set, it would probably be, I can't say for sure, but there are a lot of brands that do this, Husky, Cobalt, all of those. When they build these socket sets, the wrenches that you get in there aren't always the same as if you were to go and buy a wrench set from that same company just by itself. Those are usually a little bit higher quality than the ones that you find in these socket sets. But for $130, this seems like a pretty good deal. 25-foot compact tape measure from Milwaukee for $11, down from $15. Here's another Husky socket set, 120 piece set for $70. Here's a Ryobi cordless glue gun. In the PDR business, we use these a lot. I had used an older style Ryobi glue gun, and it tended to leak a lot, overheating, and the glue would just drip out. The battery would die really quick, but it seems like this is a little bit more up to date. I'm sure the one that I was using was probably close to 10 years old, but I do know other guys in the business that use these, and they seem to work just fine. So for $60, I think that's a pretty good deal, especially when you look at these compared to some of the others in the business, like actual PDR companies selling glue guns. They can get very expensive, very, very expensive. And then you always want to make sure that, like, the great thing about visiting the website, just like Lowe's, you can sometimes find some better deals on here. Maybe not as far as price. Usually it matches what it is in store, but something you will see on here that you may not notice in store and you might miss out on is if, you buy this tool, you get one free. Like if you don't know about that in stores, or they don't have a sign hanging right next to the tool saying, you buy this, you get this tool or this tool free, you miss out on it. And on the website, it'll clearly say, like, when you hover over it or you click on it, it'll give you the options of the things that you can get for free. So that's why it's always worth at least checking out the website if you're looking at buying a more expensive product before going to the store. Just make sure you check it out just to see if you can get yourself a better deal. Here's a 132 piece Milwaukee set for $400. I like the Milwaukee stuff. I do. I don't think I own any of it, but I've looked at it and I really enjoy it. I think the quality's there. I think the design is there. I don't think the price is there. I don't think the price... Now, that doesn't go for all of the stuff, just a lot of the stuff. I love the power tools. I run the M12 lineup, absolutely love it. But when it comes to their hand tools, I feel like a lot of their hand tools are overpriced, but they do seem to be good quality and well-designed tools. I just wish they would work on the pricing a little bit more. But this definitely seems like a nice little set. Here's another Milwaukee half-inch drive SAE and metric socket set, and it comes with a set of screwdrivers for $240. It's a 55-piece set. You're high. Nope, not happening. Nope. I do like the design of the ratchet. They're not the best ratchets, but at least they've put some thought into it. It's not your average generic ratchet or anything like that. And I kind of like the square design of the sockets. When I first saw them, I didn't really care for them, but they are nice, especially if you want to keep your sockets from rolling away. But for that price range, I'm just not interested. I know way too many other tool brands where I can get the same size set, just as good a quality, if not better, for a much better price. Now, when you find these on sale and stuff around holidays or special sales, yeah, you can definitely find yourself some really good deals. But average pricing, the full price or this price, a lot of this stuff I just don't find interesting enough to make that purchase at that price. Here's a half-inch drive 12-piece set for $65, down from $80. Here's another Ryobi glue gun with 2 batteries, a charger, everything. So you get this and you select a tool for $120. Definitely deals like that going on. You can definitely get yourself some good stuff. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be the Ryobi stuff. A lot of these companies do this, or a lot of these brands do this on here. Here's a little Milwaukee plier and screwdriver set for $55, down from $65. Not a terrible deal there. I've never cared for this design. I understand that this is for reaming, but I would find myself most likely pinching my own hand in those handles, even though that's not where the grips are. It would be my luck that I would put my hand right there. But I do like the grips on the pliers. I think they're well designed. I think they're comfortable. Here's a Milwaukee 1/4-inch drive metric deep well socket set, $6.40, down from $53. It's a 14-piece set. Here's a 26-piece set. You get half-inch drive and 1/4-inch drive, SAE and metric deep well impact sockets for $90, down from $125. Doesn't seem like a terrible deal there. I've heard good things about the Milwaukee impact sockets. What is it with all these different glue guns from Ryobi? It's all the same thing. Just here you get 1 less battery and 2 times the glue sticks. Here's another combo set from Milwaukee. You get half-inch drive and 3/8 drive, SAE. It's a 24-piece set for $110. Another combo set. This is the 1/4-inch drive. What is going on here? So what, you just get 2 sets of the exact same thing? It's blowing my mind. Take one home, take one to work. I don't understand what that's about, but all right. We'll go with it. $65, down from $100. A lot of tape measures, levels, squares, things like that. Definitely a lot of Milwaukee products on here. Like I said, more tape measures. Here you go. Because I'm pretty sure if she just stopped holding that tool like that, she could probably just reach that with her hand. I get the idea behind it. Horrible example. All different kinds. All different kinds of helping hands for you. A lot of this Milwaukee stuff, just miscellaneous little bit screwdrivers and knives and tape measures and levels. All just different combinations of the exact same tools. Not too much here on the Home Depot savings department as far as tools. It's a lot of miscellaneous, just like little pliers. But, the first couple pages had some good socket sets, and that's really it. Let's see if we can specifically look at power tools possibly. I may have just been in the hand tools section, not known it. So here you can see the different brands that they carry and their drills, saws, sanders, woodworking. So here they have a Ryobi set down to $200 from $300. I really haven't used Ryobi nearly enough to know anything about the quality of their tools. I don't think I've ever really seen anybody outside of the glue gun using Ryobi, at least in the automotive field. Maybe once. Definitely not very often. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Maybe it's because, they're more geared towards woodworking possibly than they are automotive tools. Here's a Milwaukee set for $230, down from $350. This seems like a good deal. So you get their impact driver, their drill, their hammer drill, which I own both of those, and their cordless ratchet. It looks to be the old design 3/8 ratchet. I have the new design, but either way, for $230, that seems like a pretty good deal. You get a couple different batteries with it as well. Here's some of their M18 lineup, $200 for their impact driver and drill, 2 batteries and a charger. I don't know if this is just showing an image, because I know last year when I looked at these in stores, their old design M12 ratchet was on sale for or not even on sale, it was just selling for $100, I believe. So I'm not too sure as to why this tool only is at $150. I'm pretty sure that's more of the pricing of the new design. Correct me if I'm wrong. Here's a Milwaukee set, not their top of the line tools, their M12 lineup. It's their lower end stuff, but $260, down from $490. Here's a DeWalt set, which is a hammer drill with 2 of the new power stack batteries and the atomic impact driver, that doesn't seem like a terrible deal at all. If you guys have used the power stack batteries, please feel free to drop a comment down below. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I've heard good things about them. I run the 20-volt lineup, but before making that purchase, I kind of was giving it time to see how the batteries were holding up for others before I go ahead and make that purchase, because right now I think I have 6 5-amp-hour batteries. So I have plenty of batteries for the work that I do, but I'm still interested in possibly picking up a power stack battery if they're worth it. So here you have the Milwaukee M12 cordless 3/8 ratchet, impact wrench, 3/8 high-speed ratchet. I'm pretty sure this is a fairly new release as well, the high-speed ratchet. So if anybody has used that, please let me know. I know that's the extended one. It's supposed to have a greater speed, because I know a lot of people that were complaining about the speed of the new designed ratchet that came out a couple years ago. Personally, for its intended use, as long as you're not like removing screws or small fasteners where you could just use an impact driver that's much faster than the ratchet, the speed of the ratchet doesn't bother me. So like if I need something out fast and it's just like a screw or a very small bolt, I'll use an impact driver. If it's a little bit larger or anything like that, or an awkward place, then I use my cordless ratchet. So this is $437 down from $587. Here's a Milwaukee M18 Combo Set. Here you can see everything that's included. It's down to $500 from $740. Here, this one comes with a free starter kit. So you buy this and you get this free. So it's always worth checking this site out, because these are things that you might miss out in the store if they don't have it labeled. So it's always good to just check it out just to see. There's a Ryobi 18-volt brushless impact, half-inch drive impact. Once again, I have no experience with the Ryobi, almost all of their power tools, but definitely not their impact driver. I have no experience with that. Here's kind of a cool little combo set from Milwaukee, their M12, their high-speed ratchet, quarter-inch right angle, and quarter-inch die grinder for $380 down from $530. Here's the Milwaukee 3-inch cutoff tool. I just purchased the DeWalt one. I actually pre-ordered it like 2 months ago and just got it in the mail. So I'll have a video on that. We're going to be cutting up my exhaust so I can make it fit on the Camaro. And we're going to be using the new DeWalt 3-inch cutoff tool. So stay tuned for that video. And that's it as far as the tools that we're going to go over today. If there's any specific tools that you guys would like to see a video on, or my personal thoughts on a brand or anything like that, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'm always open to video ideas and things like that. If you guys like these videos with Lowe's and Home Depot, I'll try and kind of get these organized a little bit better, find the best deals I possibly can, and we'll continue on with these. Unless you guys don't care too much for these Lowe's and Home Depot videos, then I'll just do them once a month or once every 2 months. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on these videos, as well as those items I asked about. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.